Lori, what do you think are the best one of their best characteristics of the dogs?
So Yuki, this is Yuki. She's like so sweet and soft and cuddly, and she loves everybody. She's just a really sweet, mellow, gentle, loving dog. And Odo, hey Odo, Odo, come over here, baby. Come here. Odo is like, my attachment to Odo is so strong. He's just so loyal and so earnest, and he's really smart, really curious. Super cute and scruffy and active and fast. They have really different personalities. He's a good defender and protector of the household, too.